If your gaming rig isn't breathing, it's not living. Let's fix that with the MSI MagForge 120A. This beast is packed with auto RGB fans that light up your game like never before. Colors syncing perfectly with your gameplay? Yes, please. And those side air vents? Total game changer. Your PC stays cool, even in the heat of battle. Airflow? We've got it covered. Built for gamers by gamers. This case isn't just about looking good. It's about performance. It's about winning. Say goodbye to overheating and hello to a smooth, uninterrupted gaming experience. The MSI MagForge 120A is here to unleash your full potential. Get yours today and dominate the game. #MMSI Gaming.